Hello, today I am going to show you how to program RCA Universal Remote to Vizio TV. So let's start the main video. Make sure your TV is off. Now press and hold TV and power button until your remote is on. Now press and hold play button of your remote until the TV is on. Then press reverse button of your remote every 5 seconds until the TV is off. After that, press stop button of your remote. Your RCA Universal Remote has programmed. To program an RCA Universal Remote to a Vizio TV, first turn on your TV manually, then press and hold the TV button on the remote until the indicator light turns on. Enter the correct Vizio code from the RCA code list, and wait for the light to turn off. After that, test the power and volume buttons to confirm it's working, and if it doesn't respond, try another code or use the auto code search feature. Overall, the setup process is quick and simple, and by carefully following the steps and using the correct code, you can easily control your TV without the original remote. And that's it. Thanks for watching.